The future of warfare is here. Welcome to SkyWatch Global, where we are unleashing the lethal Boeing MQ. Watch this as we demonstrate the power of our latest technology.
Imagine a shadow stretching across the ocean, silent, invisible, and deadlier than anything the world has ever seen. This isn't a ghost story, it's the future of naval warfare. Deep in the heart of secret hangars, Boeing has unleashed the MQ-25 Stingray, and it is officially changing the rules of the game forever. If you think you know what a jet can do, think again, because the era of the human pilot is no longer the only thing dominating our skies. Stay tuned, because we are diving deep into the most powerful unmanned predator ever built. The world of military aviation has always been about speed and firepower, but today, it's about something much more valuable: endurance and reach. Enter the Boeing MQ-25 Stingray. This isn't just another drone, and it's certainly not a toy. This is a massive, high-tech engineering marvel designed to serve as the backbone of the United States Navy's carrier air wing. Look at its design. It's sleek, it's aggressive, and it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. But make no mistake, every curve on this airframe serves a deadly purpose. The true power of the MQ-25 lies in its ability to do what humans simply can't. While a human pilot gets tired and has physical limits, the Stingray is built to stay in the air for hours on end, patrolling the vast, lonely stretches of the Pacific or the Atlantic without ever breaking a sweat. It is the world's first operational carrier-based unmanned aircraft, and its primary mission is a masterstroke of strategy. It provides mission-critical aerial refueling to the fleet's frontline fighters, like the F/A-18 Super Hornet and the stealthy F-35 Lightning II. By taking over the refueling job, the MQ-25 frees up these multi-million-dollar fighters to do what they do best: strike targets and win dogfights. But don't let the tanker label fool you. The MQ-25 Stingray is packed with the world's most advanced sensors and intelligence-gathering technology. It can act as a silent eye in the sky, watching the enemy from thousands of feet up, long before they even know it's there. Its radar signature is minimal, its cameras are crystal clear, and its data links are encrypted with the highest level of military security. When this jet is in the air, the entire battle group becomes smarter, faster, and much more lethal. The sheer engineering behind this jet is breathtaking. It has to take off and land on a moving aircraft carrier in the middle of a rough sea, a task that is considered one of the most difficult feats in all of aviation. Boeing has perfected the autonomous systems to the point where the MQ-25 handles these landings with surgical precision, every single time. It is a symbol of absolute dominance, proving that the United States is years, if not decades, ahead of any rival nation in unmanned technology. When you see the Boeing MQ-25 sitting on the flight deck, surrounded by elite special forces and armed guards, you realize this isn't just a machine, it is a statement of intent. It represents a shift in how wars will be fought in the next century. It is the ultimate force multiplier. With the Stingray in the sky, the reach of a carrier strike group is doubled, meaning no corner of the globe is safe from its power. It is silent, it is relentless, and it is the undisputed king of the new unmanned frontier. This is the peak of human ingenuity. We are witnessing the birth of a new legend. The Boeing MQ-25 Stingray is not just a support craft, it is a revolution. It is the silent protector, the invisible refueler, and the future of global defense. As it screams off the catapult and vanishes into the clouds, it leaves a message for the rest of the world: the future has arrived, and it belongs to the Stingray. If you are as obsessed with the power of modern military tech as we are, then you are in the right place. To keep up with the latest in advanced weaponry and high-stakes aviation, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Join our community here at SkyWatch Global. We bring you the most intense, high-fidelity looks at the machines that define our world. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below telling us what you think about the MQ-25, and share this with your fellow aviation enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next high-octane episode. This is SkyWatch Global, signing off.